and welcome to another episode of Exploring the Arts with me, Kalinmonet Brown. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is all about the arts, from figuring out your first piece of artwork to all the way behind the scenes with branding, marketing, and also possibly hosting your first exhibition. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about print-on-demand companies and the behind the scenes and with all of that branding. And the reason why we're going to be talking about print on demand today is so that you actually have merchandise to put on your website if that's something that you're interested in. So I know, like, for myself, when I first started out, that I was so resilient about selling an original piece of artwork that I decided to do prints instead. And these prints ended up being a little bit costly, and it was for my first exhibition, so I really went all out. I picked 10 of the best pieces of artwork, each one at various sizes, of 10 different pieces of artwork. So that is in 100 prints. Point of the story is I ended up paying quite a lot of money for these prints and ended up not selling all of them. I sold most of them, but to be honest with you, that has been 4 years now, and I still have quite a few of them left over. But point blank is, you might not want to spend all the money right in the moment, and that's when a print-on-demand company is really going to help you out. So I know in my case, I made all these prints for an exhibition, but on the flip side of it, I could have made all these prints for my website. So if you are looking to make prints of your artwork for your website, I definitely recommend a print on demand. If you are like me and you don't want to sell an original piece of artwork, at least not just of yet. One of the big benefits of print on demand companies is that some of them you can actually link to your website, so that whenever someone goes to your website and they make a purchase, then that print gets sent to the print shop and they ship it out for you, so you don't even have to worry about it at all, which is like the best thing in the world. So the thing about print on demand though is that you will always have to pay a fee for the item. So let's say you're doing regular prints on paper, right? Sometimes the fee can be $5, sometimes the fee can be $10, or sometimes the fee can be up to $15 depending on how large that print is. Same thing goes for canvas prints. The base price for it might be $20, $30, or so on and so forth. And whatever you price that item at is whatever you get, whatever's left over after the company has taken their fee. The best thing about print on demand companies too is that you have so many options to pick from, whether you want to print on paper, you print on canvas, whether you want to print on a t-shirt, a hoodie, a mug, a laptop case, a chair, a throw pillow, what else is this? Comforter, shower curtains. The list goes on and on and on. And so there's so many different types of print companies that are out nowadays that you can pick from. So I know that I list Fine Art America, Society 6, and Printful because those are the ones that I've used personally over the years. But I'm sure there's way more, especially now with all that's going on with a lot of companies and a lot of people switching over to online. We've seen a huge surplus of different types of online markets happening right in front of our eyes, and they're continuously growing and continuously changing. And one thing I have to say, this refers back to another video, is to be careful if you are on one of these websites, not to really get your hopes too high, especially if it's a very, very popular one, because you might get lost in the bunch. But at the same time, if you are doing a lot of back-end marketing or either sharing information on your social media platforms, then you should probably still be pretty good about sales and things like that. You don't really have to worry much. But if you're on your own website, this refers back to a previous video, way back, where if you are on your website, you're still gonna have to do that back-end stuff with that. But at the same time, people are gonna be coming to your website because they want to come to see your stuff and just your stuff alone. So that is all about print on demand, and hopefully this can help you out with getting a shop set up on your website. And if this is helpful, if you want additional information, I can definitely provide more. Just leave a comment down below, and please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I will see y'all next time. Bye.